Cutie pie. And here's our new friends. And there's our campsite. Hey, there you go. I wanted to show off our tent. There's our tent and our car. And this is in Point Reyes. It's called Olema Ranch Campgrounds. Rings the pear? Here we are in Point Reyes going for the earthquake trail. Maya's still going for Danielle. We're starting the earthquake trail. Happened during the 1906 earthquake. This is the entrance to Stanford. Wow.
Puppy.
This was a train in Point Reyes that didn't make it. Buildings in San Francisco.
Puppy.
18th and Howard Street.
Put me on your shoulder.
There was the fire. And the aftermath. Most of it was destroyed. Okay, let's go. Vámonos, Maya. Maya.
At the shoulders.
Maya.
At the hombros.
There we go, hombros. Ya sabe. And where's Maya? Look who won. Look who won. Huh? No, huh?
I think it just marks what the fault is.
No, it said where the earth moved in 1906. Yeah. The right side of the barn that you see was dragged 16 feet off of its foundation during the 1906 earthquake. 16 feet off its foundation. So here's the fence.
And it's broken.
Yeah, it's broken, and then here's where it continued. This is probably the original here, and that's where it moved to. Yeah. And this tree, I guess, maybe came down, I don't know. Because that blue post is where the earth opened up. Right here. Follow this line.
Trátalo tú primero.
Just don't touch it. Yeah. Going down right. See where you go? Right through the middle there. You won't touch any of the poison oak.
No. I need somebody to go down.
Oh, well then let's skip the idea. I thought you could do it.
Piece of thick?
But after I go down here.
No, it's too small.
Could somebody go down here after I go?
Maybe.
Yeah, it's a small thick.
Without having any blood in it, huh? Ooh, it is. I just got a good focus on it. Yep. Oh, that wouldn't be fun to have the dogs here then, would it? Yes, Maya, I'm listening.
¿Qué pacho?
That's a tick looking for somebody to get on, huh? Ooh, yeah. There's honeybees. Oh, there's the bumblebee.
Get away! Get away!
No, leave them alone. They're having fun. They're pollinating the flowers, aren't they? Without them, there wouldn't be honey and there wouldn't be more flowers. Gotta find a good one that'll fly. Oops. That one was going so high. Wonder how they got up there. Oh, wow. Well, it's a big field of that stuff.
Ow! I'm itchy.
Okay, well, stay away from the plants here then. Whoops. Oh, it's up on the tree. There it goes. There's another one floating up.
Aquí no.
There's another one right here. Floating.
Vámonos.
Come on, Maya. You coming?
Oh,
You coming?
come over here.
No, that's the wrong way. You have to come this way.
I know, but
Mira, ven. Ven, para que es un pajarito que está aquí.
I just want to go on Daddy's shoulder.
Maya.
Ven, corre, córrele pues.
If you don't let me go on your shoulders, then that means you're not strong, Papi.
Ok, ven pues, mira, para que es un pajarito también aquí. Córrele.
Are you not strong, Maya? Well, why can't you run?
Córrele.
Come on, Maya. Let's go.
Let me on your shoulders.
This is going to be good stuff later. Good stuff. Good stuff. Maya, that's not nice.
Don't talking like blah, blah, blah.
You don't need help. You need to learn how.
Like Mowgli?
Yeah, like I used to when I was a kid, and your dad too. Look, he still knows how to climb trees.
Papi! Help!
No, you can do it, Maya. You can do it. You're there. Keep going. Pull yourself up.
I can't.
Well, then there's no point of someone getting you up a tree. You need to learn how to climb a tree yourself.
Right, but it's just that I'm just a little.
No, I was climbing trees when I was your age. Definitely.
Córrele, ven.
You are not my age.
I used to be 5. What do you mean?
Maya, ven.
Look at Tarzan's up in the tree.
No, Tarzan.
Yep,
Where's Tarzan?
up in the tree.
That's not Tarzan! He swings from swings.
Oh, he only swings on swings, huh?
He swings where monkeys.
Mira, ven, para que te subas aquí.
You were almost there, Maya. I don't know why you turned back. You were almost there.
No. Jeez.
Geez, my knees. You can do it, Louise. Use your arms. Strengthen your arms and pull yourself up.
Súbete poquito más.
Maya, you have to get up. She was higher than that by herself. It's all fear. It has nothing to do with physical ability.
Estás arriba, súbete.
Look, you did it, sweetie. You're going to feel a lot more proud when you do it yourself. There you go. See?
I need my shoes to step in here.
All right. But see, you got up there all by yourself, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how does that make you feel?
Good.
Yeah, I thought so. There you go. Now you're doing it. You could do it, sweetie. Uh-huh. Now you're at the next level, huh? See, you did it, Maya.
Y los pajaritos te vienen por acá, mira.
Yeah, it's easy, huh? It would have been easy to get up there, too, huh?
Ouch! Look what I did.
I see.
Cha 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 cha.
Okay, cha-cha. Cha-cha-da-cha. There you go. Good job.
Let's spend our lunch together. I want to eat you more than ever. Let's spend our lunch together now. Don't you worry about 'em, I don't mind, oh no.
Good show.
Don't get a tie. Go little man cub, go to sleep. Let's spend our lunch together. I want to eat you more than ever. Spend our lunch together now.
How do you do that? How do you do that, Maya? I'll hold your stick so you can go up there, okay.
My stick?
Oh, sticks? I have to hold sticks now?
Yeah. Could you hold these? I got a great idea.
Oh, yeah?
Don't steal the towel. Go little man cub, go to sleep.
Tarzan. ¿Cómo grita Tarzan?
Yeah, Alberto knows.
Sí,
They swing from trees to tree.
Yeah? Is that is that what he says?
You have to swing from trees.
Oh, ¿de veras? Pero no hay no hay sogas para...
There he goes. He's swinging from tree to tree. There he is.
Can you help me, Buffy?
¿Así las de Tarzan? ¿Así las de Tarzan?
Nina, this is the elevator. Go little man can go to sleep. Hey, this is a good thing. I'm a gopher, Buffy.
Okay.
We have to find
Tofu?
sticks.
Es un
We
tofu.
have to find sticks, Puppy. That's our home right here. This is a whole jungle. Ouch! Ow! 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 Just kidding. We'll rumble away. Oh, my Mowgli, my little baby, are you ever safe tonight? Oh, my Mowgli, my little baby, I hope he's safe tonight. We'll rumble away.
Smell the skunk? Yeah, we just passed by a place where a skunk is. Okay. All right, you show us your favorite stuff. Can you open it? You need some help? Okay, there we go. Okay, you gonna show us some animals here? Where are they? Where's the animals?
Here's the animals.
Okay. These are the marsh animals, huh? Marsh birds. Okay, what about the other stuff?
These are the animals.
Okay, more, huh? More birds.
Here's deer.
Yeah,
There's a baby deer.
I see. There's the skunk we smelled, huh? And what's this guy at the water? What's he called?
Raccoon.
That's
Rocky Raccoon.
There's Rocky Raccoon, huh?
Mommy,
Yeah.
is that a weasel?
looks like one to me. Yeah, long-tailed weasel. That's what they call it. Yeah, long-tailed
And
weasel.
here's a raccoon.
And a turtle too, huh?
Mhm. And one possum. Mommy, look at a possum.
Oh, you saw a possum?
Right.
Oh, yeah. The long tail.
And here's,
What do I know? Uh-huh. Yeah. Skunky.
smell bad.
They do, don't they?
The bog.
And there's a whale skull, huh? Yeah.
What is this?
Which one? That's the bobtail. Bobcat. The one way up there? That's the badger. That's the badger. You're going to read about him in Wind of the Willows.
Who is here?
The vulture.
There's the family wolf
Uh-huh.
game.
There they are. Who raised Mowgli? Hmm?
Bagheera.
Yeah. And we already determined what all those things were, huh?
Look at Mommy.
Mm-hmm. It's dead, huh? That's why the vulture's eating it, huh? Wow. What do you see through the telescope? You see me, huh? What else do you see? You see any ducks flying, maybe? Where's that owl? There it is.
There's two different kind of birds
Yeah?
right there.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I saw those guys. Okay. Let's see you hop down, Maya. Okay, go ahead. All the way to the bottom. Let's see. There you go. Can you go all the way to the top with one step? Let's see if you can go all the way to the top with one step. There you go. Now use your hands to get up. Use your arms to get up. Leave your feet up on top and then use your arms to get up. There you go.
Look, I could do it in 1 second.
All right. Wow, you did, huh? Okay. All the way to the top. Now walk your hands up. Walk your hands up. Can you walk your hands up the pole? There you go. There you go. That's it. Do the other one. There it is. There it is. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. All the way up. All the way up. There you go. That's it, you little gymnast. Ta-da! See, you did it. Good job.